Lydia had tiny bite issues and she wasn't happy with the color of her teeth.
It's really been very challenging for me to smile.
She also had orthodontic treatment before and had old restorations.
I really needed to change the way I look.
We decided to make 20 laminate veneers on the front teeth and also 2 zirconium crowns on the implants that she already had. We just shaved the front surfaces of the teeth to create some space for the veneers, and after a few days the result was amazing.
I have the smile I've always wanted, so I can focus on something else. Thank you, Turkiye, for this beautiful smile.